Hey, how's it going, everybody? And welcome back to Michael Workspace. I am Michael, and in today's lesson, we'll be learning about list comprehensions. So, list comprehensions are a quick way of creating new lists from other iterables. It consists of square brackets containing the expression that gets executed for each element in the iterable using a for loop. And it can also optionally have filters using if clauses. All right, so let's just jump right into it. Uh, let's start by beginning creating a list using the traditional method that we using a iteration. All right. So for example, my uh, list is equal to an empty list to begin with, and then we'll use a for loop for iteration. All right. So for x in range x, sorry, 1 through 11 to get the first 10 natural numbers, because for the range clause it starts at the first parameters and it goes up into, but not including the second parameter, which is 11, so it's going to be 10. All right, so now we can just append the current iteration x to the list. So my list dot append x, which is whichever the iteration is on right now. All right, and then if we were to print out our list now, we get the first 10 natural numbers. All right, so that's how we would do it using the traditional methods. Now let's take a look at the list comprehension ways. All right, so we can do my list comprehension. Comprehension is equal to so here we begin with open and close open square brackets, and then we give it a expression. So we do x for x in range, again the same 1 and 11, and that's it. And then if we were to print out my list comprehension, you can see that we get the same result, the first 10 natural numbers, but it's a lot less code and it's more concise if you understand how to use it. All right, we can build on top of this by saying, now let's say, what if we want to see only the even numbers of this list, all right, that we have just created. So we can do something like evens is equal to, and then here we begin the list comprehension with open square brackets, and then we do x for x in, and then we use the list that we created earlier. So my list comprehension, make sure I spell it right, and then here we give it the filter clause. So if x modulo 2 is equal to 0, then we know that it's an even number because there's no remainder. All right, and if we were to print out evens, we get back just the even numbers that are in our previous list. And then this is a new list that we can use to build on top of it, which is the even list. Okay, so that's all about list comprehensions. There's much more that we can go over, but I just want to give you a quick overview of a new way of creating lists from iterations. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys are liking what you guys seeing in my videos, the content that I produce, please help me out by supporting my channel, subscribing and liking my videos. It helps a lot, and it motivates me to continue doing this sort of stuff for you guys. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.